Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying essentials so you don't chase ghosts. Plug in the device and choose a power plan that won't throttle brightness. Once done, open Device Manager with Win+X, then M and expand display adapters and monitors. Make sure you toggle View to show hidden devices. You want to see any ghosted adapter or monitor entries. If you already ran a restart, skip reboots for now. Instead, focus on locating driver entries so you can remove or update them next. Now you reset the drivers to force Windows to rebuild the brightness stack. Uninstall the display adapter from Device Manager, and when offered, remove the driver software so Windows can't reuse a faulty package. Once removed, use Action right arrow scan for hardware changes to let Windows detect and reinstall. Make sure you then install the OEM display driver from the manufacturer rather than generic updates. This restores vendor-specific brightness controls. Finally, update the generic PNP monitor entry so the monitor and GPU talk correctly about brightness. Finish by sealing changes with controlled restarts. First restart normally, then fully shut down and power on to ensure firmware and ECP settings reload. If brightness remains stuck, open Windows Update and check for graphics or system updates, and consider rolling back a recent driver that introduced the issue. If none of that helps, boot to Safe Mode to see if a third-party utility or filter driver is blocking brightness. Safe Mode isolates system drivers so you can pinpoint the culprit and remove it safely.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.